shoveling snow in February, or you can hop on a plane and join me for a yoga retreat in beautiful Costa Rica on the Caribbean coast in the middle of a rainforest. I would love to have you join me. So come and look at these gorgeous pictures and we can take a little journey together. At the Samasati Yoga Retreat and Rainforest Sanctuary, we are perched 1,400 feet above sea level in a lush, tropical, ecological reserve. You will be able to immerse yourself every morning when you wake up. You can lie on your hammock and easily move into our meditation every morning. Every day we will do 2 yoga classes, and every afternoon you can visit the beaches, go on a waterfall tour, go hiking, do whatever you desire, or just do nothing, because this is your time to retreat. The food, the service, the meals, the round-the-clock coffee and tea will be served in this open-air restaurant. After sunset, fall asleep to the soothing sounds of the rainforest and wake up refreshed to the breathtaking sight of sun reflecting off the Caribbean Sea. See you in February. Namaste.